Okay, all done. Here we go. Nice seamless floor. Got rid of all those expansion joints, all those little divots. This is a 3-car, and again they put the baseboard in, which definitely gives it a nice finished look. Nice edge here, and what we did was we rounded over the sharp edge. I think here you can start to appreciate the top coat. And this is what the job looks like throughout, except we just happen to have some sun here. But again, this was a customer supply chip. So the customer wanted a custom blend, and this is what they ordered, and this is what we put there. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport, Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.